Thomas, what are you doing in the middle of nowhere? Step pulling 7 loaded flatbeds. Are you pulling 7 loaded flatbeds? Are you crazy? Next time you monster truck, we'll have to tell you something. Just do me a favor, will you? Say no. Okay, Doctor. There you are, Thomas. Broken down, I see. Seven flatbeds must have been too heavy for you. Good morning, Evil Monster Truck, and well done. Whoa, what did you say? I said good morning and well done. Did you have a job to do, Evil Monster Truck, or you just stand here gossiping? We won't have any of you for stealing girlfriends around there. No one speaks to me like that. He's all red and evil, and so he's all red and he's so evil. Hey, Doctor, so shall I take the mechanical parts for the new bicycle? Of course, Thomas. Once you're all fixed, then you'll go and see the new bicycle. Okay. Later. Later that evening. Tomorrow we're gonna get you some new parts until we'll be fixed again. I have to go back to Tinder Sheds now. The other engines will be wondering where I am. Thank you, Thomas. You're welcome. Later that night. Boring. Why do I have to do something like this? Why? See? No, not again. Not again. I got you again. Now I am one of the kind big truck that brings you and taking you to my castle immediately. No! The next morning. Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Thomas. Hey, where's Female Ambulance Truck? He is coming back. Yeah, but where is he? Oh no worries, everyone. Maybe I should turn on the TV and see what's going on. There we go. Wait a minute. There's something on the news. On the news, it says Evil Monster Truck who's came back from the castle and stealing female fire truck, and now he is going to make her die. Help! Evil Monster Truck's stealing me! I need help! Help me! Quick, guys! I need to get out of here! I want to go back to the museum! Ha 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 ha! No, you won't, because I am gonna die for you! 'Cause you are annoying as me! No, I wasn't! No, I wasn't! Yes, you are! No, I wasn't! Yes, you are! Help me, guys! Help! Someone's trying to kill me! It's Evil Monster Truck who's stealing me! I am not happy! Boop! Oh no! Female Elmer's truck. She is sent to jail by that big evil monster truck. Yeah, he's being a jerk to everyone. Yeah, let's go get her. And now we're gonna see the new bicycle's new parts. Oh, ha 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 ha. Stop right there. Oh crap. Ow! Ow! Yes, I'm saved. Yeah. Oh. Ow! I cracked my boiler when evil monster trucks want to fight me. Don't worry, Pussy. I'll take you to the works. Now the doctor will have you fixed up in no time. Thank you, Thomas. Hey! I'm gonna kidnap you. No! Please! Help! Can someone just please help me? Help! I'm in jail. Please help me. Help! I'm stuck. Yeah, now you will never escape. Ha 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 ha. Percy, what's going on? Ow. It's just that evil monster truckers cracked in my boiler, and now my boiler's burst. Oh dear, Percy. Well, Thomas, you have to do Percy's work then. Okay, Doctor, I will. Take care of yourself, Thomas. No problem, Percy. Here's the mail. Ah, thank you, Thomas. You're welcome. Two days later. Ah, Percy, you're fixed. Come on, Thomas. Sure you're fine up. There's no need for you for being tired. Okay, Doctor. I'll be feeling real happy. Aha, it's time for us to go. Good. Hey, Thomas, this afternoon I will lead something for ya. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor. Meanwhile... Hey, motorcycle. This is my best friend, Percy. Hello? Ah, hello there, Percy. Since you have a very special best friend, it's because I was something special too. Do you have best friends? Yes, I do at home. Do you miss them? I do. That's sad. Don't be sad. Look at my new glass. Gordon bought it for me. When Gordon smiles, it changes his whole face. It sounds more interesting. Good night, motorcycle. Good night, my friends. Until tomorrow. Later that evening... I'm going to find out what that tricky tank engine is doing. It's time for Steely Monster Truck to hide for clues. The next morning... Are you sure you can't remember when you left our girlfriend here, guys? We can't. Think very hard, guys. I am the Orange Bear, but I can only think about the new vehicle. Why is Thomas puffing around the summer house? I don't know. Thomas is a busy engine. He travels all around the island. Humph. Why are you working on Thomas's branch line? Because, as I said, Thomas is a busy engine. Where is he busy? You're a big, strong engine truck. Why don't you go look? Late that evening, look at me now! You look wonderful! Hooray! Oh, thank you. That was cool. Those sandwiches here around here last night. Stay here for a little while. And then it was very analyzed, and now I think James is obviously coming. What? James isn't wise at all. He's a bossy boiler. Hey, Lion, what an honor. Let me take you around the koi. I don't care about this place here anymore. Why? Hey, I got